You're watching BTV.
There aren't many companies that can be summed up by just looking at their stock symbol, but there's one licensed cannabis producer in Canada that really does fit the bill: FSD Pharma, HUGE, on the Canadian Securities Exchange.
HUGE is a word and term that people use during sales pitches all of the time. It's also reflective of our company today.
My vision is to make this the largest hydroponic medical marijuana facility in the world. We will bring a lot of help and relief to a lot of people.
To deliver on that promise, FSD Pharma purchased a former Kraft food manufacturing facility that they own debt-free. Located an hour away from Toronto in Cobourg, Ontario, they're developing it as a cannabis growing and distribution operation that could ultimately produce 400 million grams of cannabis annually.
We currently have 630,000 square feet of indoor space. We have another 43 acres on the back of which we can grow on. We have everything pretty much necessary to grow already in-house. We actually have a railway line that comes into the back of our facility, so we can pretty much transport from there anywhere else.
Size isn't all that matters to FSD Pharma. They're also committed to quality.
Indoor hydroponic production can give you standardization where you can actually have consistency. Temperature's the same, water supply's the same, so that batch to batch you have a consistent product.
Though much attention these days is on the opening of the recreational cannabis market in Canada, FSD Pharma is focused on medical cannabis.
The recreational markets over the next few years will become multi-billion-dollar annual business generators in every country in the world over time, without question. The medicinal side, though, has even more potential.
One of the major breakthroughs in our industry was recently the FDA approved the first cannabinoid-based prescription product, and that's huge. I think going forward with the research and development that we're going to do and others are doing, we're going to see cannabinoids from a wide degree of medical conditions.
Backing up their commitment to medical cannabis research, the company has entered into a joint venture with Israeli-based Sycan. That brings on board one of the world's foremost medical cannabis researchers, Dr. Zohar Koren.
He has some very unique formulations, which we now have exclusive rights for, to treat some ailments that I think would be groundbreaking.
But it's also the treatment of day-to-day ailments that Michael Ash believes is a tremendous opportunity. Over the course of his career, he's witnessed firsthand the incredible growth of the over-the-counter vitamins and supplement industry, and he's convinced that we could see the same thing happen with cannabis.
If we look at the current over-the-counter vitamin market today, you'll go into major retailers and you'll see claims may help muscle ache, may help joint pain, may help sleep. And I think that we're going to see revolutionary products in the cannabinoid industry that address even stronger many of those current consumer needs.
FSD Pharma has approximately 25,000 square feet built out, part of which is under cultivation. The next phase of development is underway.
We recently announced a deal with Auxly, formerly Cannabis Wheaton, where we would begin production of 220,000 square feet of grow. They have committed $55 million for the initial phase. We expect that we will be done by the end of 2018 and actually begin growing the 220,000 square feet by January 2019.
At the end of the day, scale matters, and scale will allow you to reduce your costs. To have everything under one roof will allow us to reduce costs. And in this case, focused on indoor, we want to be able to deliver the best and highest quality at the lowest cost.
FSD Pharma's first month of listing on the CSE broke their daily, weekly, monthly, and annual trading volume record, surpassing 1 billion shares traded in a very short period of time. A huge month for HUGE on the CSE.